Hello, and welcome to another brief video lesson, Catalogs, AAVSO Areas of Interest. The American Association of Variable Star Observers, AAVSO, is an international nonprofit organization dedicated to variable star research. There are literally hundreds of thousands of variable stars, and professional astronomers do not have the time or the resources to observe even a fraction of them. This is where individual observers bring value to the AAVSO. The role of this organization is to observe, study, and analyze variable stars, collect and achieve variable star data for scientists, educators, and the public to use, enable amateur astronomers to collaborate with professional astronomers, and promote scientific education and research. This video is going to walk through a number of pages. You're welcome to watch it and come back and review the video and pause it on certain areas or cross-check it with your browser using the aavso.org URL. This is the main page that you'll see in the home. Your account information is up to the right. Other information for each section can be located through these particular areas here. Relative news and new events can be found in the middle of the page. One of the important pages that they have are on the variable star main page here, which we've discussed in a previous video, which talks about an overview of variable stars. What are they? Why observe them? What are the types? So if you wanted to go for a deeper dive in some of these topics, this variable stars main page would be good for you. How to observe variable stars. Besides the information provided in these lessons, you can find online guidance from the AAVSO as well through their observing main page for variable stars. If you want to obtain data on a particular variable star, they have a main data page where you're able to go and find a portal for researchers, historic light curves. You can pull data back up over given periods of time for any number of variable stars. But this is a great resource for you to scan in the archives and pull information for a project that you may be working on. If you don't know what to do or how to get started in variable stars, they also have a page called Getting Started. Where are the variable stars? What things to do? How do you find a mentor? And some tutorials as well. The Variable Star Index is a portal that enables you to type in a particular variable star here and then to get detailed information on that star. For example, SS Cygni here has a unique AAVSO ID, gives you the constellation, gives you a J2000 coordinate system. If proper motion is known, it will tell you what type of variable is it, what are its magnitude range, what's its spectral type, and so on. Also, other papers for which that star has been observed is available to you. This is much like some of the work you've done with double stars, but this is the AAVSO's search engine for all of their catalog archives. Variable star plotter, we've talked about this in other lessons. This is a tool where you can put in the name of your object or the right ascension declination, and then you can create a chart that shows you that particular area that is centered on either your star or position. This will show you any known comparison stars in the area and provide you a way to do a good comp star to target star comparison. The AAVSO target tool allows you, and we discussed this in other lessons as well, allows you to sort by alert campaigns or exoplanets, varying other types of variable stars, and then we'll produce for you a large table that will give you their names, the position, the types of stars, and when they were last observed. So you can find other targets that are also in a high priority that will be listed here. So this can help you if you want to provide some assistance to the AAVSO. It tells you what they need, and even when you're looking at observing cadence here, how often they need data on that particular system. So plenty of opportunities to get involved. An observation planning tool. If you have a variable type that you know, or you can put in the limit of your equipment, what the local time is, put in a declination that defines the region of sky that you can see. Its observation planning tool will provide you a list of stars that you can also see on a given night. Data access. The AAVSO has a significant amount of historical access, and it's through this particular page that you're able to go got light curves or any individual measurement guidance, anything that you need for a study of variable stars. They offer a product that is free called VStar that allows you to take data from historical measurements and create a period if one is unknown. This is a freeware version, assuming you're a member of the AAVSO, of a software that's available for purchase called Paranzo. So these two products will do the same thing in that they will help you determine period by folding data and creating plots for you for any given type of star, filter that was used, etc. AAVSO, which has been discussed in our section on photometry, is data that's available for you if you want to find out what a standardized magnitude is for a particular star that you're studying. For more information on AAVSO, please view the photometry course on AAVSO. In summary, the AAVSO, whose origin extends beyond 100 years, is dedicated to research and outreach. Professionals and amateurs contribute to variable star research through this. Often, professionals would come to the AAVSO and ask for assistance from amateurs. These are alert notes and special notices that they will publish out via email asking for your input. You can become part of many things here like exoplanets, cataclysmic variables, eclipsing binaries, and so on. The opportunities are endless, and the AAVSO provides an excellent portal for you to start or be involved in research. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you on future brief video lessons.